all that's left of me and you. The radio is static, playing a broken tune, just like my heart is beating underneath this heavy moon. I parked the car right where you said goodbye that night, beneath the broken street light, fading from the light. I keep my hands clenched tightly on the steering wheel, trying to hold on to something real, trying to feel anything but this numbness, this ache that won't retreat. Every drop that hits the hood is a ghost of a heartbeat, and these are just tears in the rain, washing down my face. A flooded, lonely memory in this empty space. No one can see the heartache hidden by the storm. No one knows how cold it is when I was once so warm. I'm crying for the future that we used to plan, crying for the moment the ending all began. Just salt and water mixing, blurring every view. Oh, these tears in the rain are all that's left of me and you. They say that rain cleanses, washes all